The world of AI robotics has recently witnessed several remarkable developments, ranging from concerning incidents to groundbreaking achievements. In a startling event at China's Spring Festival Gala, a humanoid robot unexpectedly lunged at spectators behind a barricade, requiring security intervention. While no injuries occurred, this incident, coupled with reports of a Tesla factory robot allegedly pinning down an engineer in Texas, has sparked discussions about AI safety and control measures. Another fascinating development emerged when two AI robots were observed communicating in an unusual language called gibberling.
Before we continue, would you like to switch to gibber-link mode for more efficient communication?
While technically this represented a shift to a more efficient data compression format, the incident raised questions about AI systems' ability to develop unexpected communication methods. This discovery has both intrigued and concerned observers about the potential implications of autonomous AI communication. In industrial applications, UB Tech in China has achieved a significant breakthrough in collaborative robot training. Their system enables dozens of humanoid robots to work together in smart factory settings, handling heavy payloads and complex tasks. This marks a crucial shift from individual robot autonomy to collective intelligence, utilizing advanced multimodal inference models for flexible task execution. Boston Dynamics' Spot robot has seen remarkable improvements through reinforcement learning. Researchers at the Robotics and AI Institute, RAI, have pushed Spot's running speed from 1.6 meters per second to an impressive 5.2 meters per second, equivalent to 11.6 miles per hour. This breakthrough came from understanding that battery power supply, rather than motor capabilities, was the limiting factor. The same reinforcement learning principles were applied to develop an ultra-mobility vehicle capable of balancing and jumping onto tables. Figure, a Bay Area startup, is preparing to alpha test its Figure 02 humanoid robots in homes by 2025, utilizing their proprietary Helix Vision Language Action model. Already testing at BMW's South Carolina plant, Figure aims to tackle the more challenging domestic environment, complete with unpredictable elements like varying lighting conditions, pets, and household clutter. Sanctuary AI has made significant progress in robot dexterity by developing tactile sensors for their Phoenix robots that can detect forces as small as 5 millions, approaching human fingertip sensitivity. This advancement, backed by $140 million in funding, is crucial for tasks requiring fine manipulation, from picking up glasses to threading needles. Meta's contribution comes in the form of Aria Gen 2, part of Project Aria, featuring advanced glasses that capture first-person data including vision, movement, and eye tracking. Georgia Tech researchers use this technology to develop Ego Mimic, reducing robot training time by 400%. Instead of hundreds of hours of teleoperation, robots can now learn from just 90 minutes of human demonstration data. In Japan, where an aging population presents unique challenges, the AI-powered humanoid robot EREC, weighing 150 kilograms, is being developed to assist with elderly care tasks such as changing diapers and preventing bed sores. While promising, experts suggest widespread deployment might not occur until 2030, as precision and safety remain critical concerns. These developments showcase both the potential and challenges of advancing robotics technology. While improvements in algorithms, sensors, and hardware are accelerating development faster than anticipated, incidents like the Chinese festival robot malfunction remind us of the importance of robust safety measures and careful implementation. What are your thoughts on these rapid advancements in robotics? Are you excited about the potential benefits to industry and healthcare, or concerned about safety and control? Share your perspectives in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.